Gioberti Boys Knitted Full Zip Cardigan Sweater. With soft flannel lining, wrap your little one in warmth and timeless style with the Gioberti Boys Knitted Full Zip Cardigan Sweater. Designed for comfort, durability, and effortless charm. Key features: premium knitted design, crafted from high-quality knit fabric for a refined texture and lasting shape. Soft brushed flannel lining. The body and sleeves are lined with ultra-soft, checkered fleece for exceptional warmth and coziness. Classic details. Ribbed stand collar, cuffs, and bottom hem deliver a tailored fit, while two side pockets add both function and flair. Versatile and stylish. Perfect for layering over a shirt or t-shirt. Ideal for school days, family gatherings, or outdoor adventures. All-season comfort. A great choice for spring, fall, and winter, offering breathable warmth and a polished look year-round. Click the Amazon link in the comments below to purchase and order this warm, soft sweater for your kids now.